Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. Hi guys. And today guys, as you see, I'm holding a tray because in this video we're going to harvest some eggs there at my to get some eggs from my hens, because actually I have four hens, two native hens and the two hens of Dexter's World, and they are all laying some eggs. So in this case guys, I'm going to harvest the eggs because actually I'm still not planning to multiply my chickens here, because as you see I still don't have a chicken coop here or chicken cage. So, and also I'm also having a hard time to feed them all. So if I multiply my chickens, it means I will also multiply my feeds. So in this moment, I'm just going to harvest the eggs, and maybe next time I can incubate them so I can have more chickens here. But now I will just going to harvest the eggs and make it as a daily breakfast for us here. So come on guys, let's see how many eggs we can get now. So this is the Dexter's World hens here. So as you see, there's another egg there. Actually every day I'm picking each of them has one egg, and then I put it here. So you see. So now we're going to put it here. Okay, it's 4. No, so we got that other one. No, I get the one. And also here. There's also one. So we already get the eggs with this Dexter's World hen, and also to my other hen there. Actually she already laid 2 eggs, and also this one, they already laid each of them 2 eggs. So I just putting here at our egg nest, and then now we are harvesting them. So you see, it's 6, total of 6. Each of them already laid 2 eggs each. So, and now I'm waiting for this to go down, my other native hen. And this one guys, I think he already lays some 8 to 10 eggs. I didn't count yet, but let's see later after she go down. So now the hen went down now. So we're going to check how many eggs she lay now. So there she is. So this is my other native chicken. As you see, we have already 6 eggs here from the Dexter's World hen, and now we're going to get, and let's see how many eggs she lay now. Oh, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. It's 11. Wow. 11 plus 6, 17. We got 17 eggs now. So this is a big surprise for me because wow, native chickens are really amazing. They can, you know, really produce many eggs and fast. They're really fast on laying eggs. So I think our tray is not enough to get all of this. You see guys, we're now harvesting eggs, and this is a big savings also for me because I don't have to buy anymore an egg in the market, because now I'm still not planning to multiply my eggs, my chickens. So I was just getting these eggs as our daily breakfast. So this is a big savings also for me guys. As you see, our tray is full. Still have 2 eggs here. Now guys, after harvesting our eggs, and I'm so happy because only on the one native hen, she already lays 11 eggs. So if I have 5 native chickens times 11, so it's going to be 55 eggs. So maybe I can, you know, multiply my native chickens maybe next time, because now I'm having hard time to multiply them because I don't still have chicken coop there and chicken cage. Because if you're just going to leave the native chickens around here, they will, you know, making mess here and making mess here in my kitchen. They're flying all over here at my kitchen, and also they're just destroying the plants of my wife here. So it's going to be a big problem. So maybe I can just multiply them after I'm going to make a chicken coop here at my backyard. So now we're going to make our breakfast. Now we're going to fry the egg. We're going to make a scrambled egg. And now we're going to make a scrambled egg with this partner to the toasted bread. So I'm going to get some native egg and also some Dexter's rolled egg here from the bantams, and the other one, how many egg? I think 3. So this is going to be our breakfast. So now this is our breakfast. So it's also helping us on budgeting. Instead of buying some eggs there in the market, we're just going to get our eggs here and our chickens. So we are now done preparing our breakfast guys, and we are now ready to eat with my wife, as you see. So this is our very own eggs here. So we did not yet manage to go to the market to buy some eggs. We're just going to get our eggs there, and hope I can still have many hens so that I can also have many eggs. So that was all guys. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my another vlog, and stay safe all. God bless us all. Thank you.